Guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since my last video. I'm in the middle of doing a full house remodel, but I wanted to get on here and share the process of painting a fireplace, just in case you're wanting to do it and you don't know where to start. In my opinion, I think this is the easiest way to give your fireplace a different look. Let me show you exactly how easy it is. Now, the first thing I made sure to do is place painter's tape along the bottom and inside of the fireplace. I placed it along the areas where I did not want to get paint on. I used this heavy-duty Scotch painter's tape, which really sticks well to rough surfaces. I also cleaned the brick by sweeping and vacuuming away any debris that may still be on there. I also cleaned it with TSP. If you don't have TSP, you can also use a cleaner of your choice. Once the bricks were dry, I primed it. I poured some of the Kilz 2 all-purpose primer in a tray, and then I started brushing the edges. I thought it would be better to get in the smaller places using a brush and then use the roller for the larger area. And here's what it looks like so far. I didn't have to worry about taping the sides of the fireplace because the wall is the same color. Next, I tackled the larger areas with a roller. I love using a roller. It makes life so much easier. For this job, I made sure to use a brush that's specifically for rough surfaces. This roller grabs a lot of paint, which is necessary to cover the brick since it's porous. I brushed on 2 coats of primer and then 2 coats of Pure White by Sherwin-Williams. I noticed that it wasn't that hard getting into the grooves with the roller. I just took my time and I made sure I covered the entire surface. Okay guys, let's recap. Here's what it looked like before. And now look at it. What a difference. Now I have to tackle the middle of it. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.